Hello guys, welcome back to part 10 of System.io tutorial for beginners. Now in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales funnel using System.io and also how to integrate your sales funnel with your course. Now let's get straight to my screen. Now this is the System.io dashboard, and if you have not got your System.io free account, you can always check out the link in the description box below. Now, once coming over here, you can go to your websites and sales funnels. Now, if you watched my previous videos on System.io tutorial, you would have seen the videos on how to create the squeeze page and also how to create the bridge page. Now, these are part of the sales funnel. Now, this funnel which I have created, which is called the YouTube tutorial funnel, this is especially for the list building, where you're going to collect email address of the traffic, and from there you're going to collect the address into your CRM. Now, there are different types of sales funnels. If you have your own product and you want to create a sales funnel, then I'm going to show you how to do it now. So what you need to do is that go to funnels. So I have created one funnel. I'm going to create another funnel. I'm just going to click on this plus create button. So I'm going to name it as digital product, and the funnel domain will be affiliate with mono.com. And I'm just going to sell a product. So in this video particularly, I'm going to show you how to have your own product. If you're a business owner or if you're an affiliate marketer, you have your own product and you're going to sell your product. So I'm just going to create it as sell. And over here, the currency will be like US dollars. So I'm just going to click on the save button over here. So I've created a new funnel over here, and I'm just going to open this funnel. By default, it has the order form and the thank you page. Now you can also add the sales page before the order form. So when the traffic comes to your sales page and opt into your sales page, they come direct to the order form, and from the order form, once they buy the product, they are taken to the thank you page. Now I'm going to create a sales page before this order form. So what I'm going to do is click on this add step, and I'm just going to click it as sales page, and here you have to be careful and choose the right one. So I'm just going to create it as a sales page and not an order form or upsell or a downsell or a thank you page. This is going to be sales page. Click on save, and I'm just going to drag and drop it before this order form. So this will be the first step in our funnel. So once they opt in from this, and you can choose any template over here. So I'm just going to choose this one to be simple. So this is going to be sales page, and you can change the name over here. I'm just going to take it as sales page. So after that, you can go and click on the edit page over here. The template which you have chosen has opened up, and you can click over here, and you can always see all this stuff over here. And wherever there is the button, you can always click on those button, and you have to make sure that you are taken to the next step URL. So you can click on the next step URL wherever the buttons are available over here. Like you can see there are so many buttons over here, like start now. We can click this and again choose this as next step URL, and the same thing applies for all the start buttons over here. And after that, you can click on this save changes, and you can click on this exit button. So this is how you create the sales page. And after that, they are taken to the next step, which is the order form. Now order form, you can choose the template over here. There are so many templates over here. I'm just going to select any one randomly. Yeah, I'm just going to choose this template for this demo purpose, and just I'm going to say it as order form. Check over here whether it's a digital product or a physical product. I'm just going to choose it as a digital product, and over here you have to check the price plans and resources a customer can access after purchase. So what they can access after the purchase. So here it is empty. So normally there will be like course, the tags. So you have to choose the course. So once they come from the order form, they will be taken to the course, and you can also add to the tag so that you can collect this email list of the buyers. And you can also set up your payment gateway, which might be your Stripe or PayPal. After that, you can click on this edit page. So here you can see this order form. So after the customers enter the details over here, you have to check this proceed button, and you can take them to the next step. So this is the payment options. So you can click on the save button over here. Click on the exit, and after that, if you want to add some kind of upsells or downsells, you can always do that. You can click on this add step button over here, and I'm just going to take it as upsell 1. And here you can choose it as upsell, and you can click on save. So upsell has been done. Normally the upsell will be done after the order form. So once the person buys a low ticket product, something like that, an upsell will be given so that they are offered a high ticket product. So in the upsell, you can choose the template over here. Any one of the templates you can choose. I'm just going to choose this template just for the sake of testing. Upsell 1. I'm just going to take it as upsell 1, and it's going to be digital product. So you can also add the downsell by choosing the downsell option over here, and click on this downsell option, and then click on save, and you can add these downsell options over here about the thank you page, so that if they are not opting to buy this upsell one, then they are offered a product which is lower than the front end offer. So this is how you can have multiple upsells and multiple downsells in your sales funnels. So after doing everything, then you can also add the automation rules. You can see the stats, leads, sales, and deadline settings. So once, if you have some kind of a time limited offer, then you can use this deadline settings. And when you come to the thank you page, you have this different templates that you can use as a thank you page once they do the purchase. So thank you and congratulations, something like that. So this is going to be one of the templates that I'm going to choose. So you can use this thank you page, and you can click on this edit page to check the what is there. So thank you and congratulations. So this is how you create a sales funnel for your own product. And inactive page is the one which is displayed once your sales funnel is deactivated. Now you can go and check your funnel settings also over here. You can click on this funnel settings, and you can see this funnel settings over here. You can click on this view funnel step to check your each of the funnel step over here. And after that, you can go to the funnel list over here, and you can see the status has been turned on already as active. This is a YouTube tutorial funnel which is created for the list building purpose. So these two different funnels are for two different purposes. So once done, if you're trying to sell a course, then you can always have this funnel, and you can go to assets, courses, click on these three dots and click on the settings button over here. And over here, you can choose the funnel over here. So if you have this digital product, then you can choose the digital product as a sales funnel. So after selecting your sales funnel, which is the digital product funnel, and after that, you can click on the funnel step, which will be the order form. And that's how you do it. And after that, you can click on the save button. So this is how you integrate your course which you have created with your sales funnel. So this is how you create your course entirely for free in system.io, and also integrate your course with the sales funnel which you have created, and you can sell your digital product online. I hope you got real value out of this entire system.io tutorial for beginners. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until then, bye.